Oh, baby, I am for mommy. Maybe I am for that. Oh, baby, Hay nako, finally ako na. Who says ikaw na? Ako pa, be. Ang OA mo naman. Ang pangit pa ng boses nito. Ang pangit pa naman, ha? Sige na, pakinggan nyo na. Maganda yun, promise. Fine, little loser. Huwag ka na nga ungot-ungot dyan. Ako na nga. Ang pangit ng boses mo. True. Who says true? Super duper true yun. And finally, loser, it's my turn. Make me an idea. Maybe an idea. Hala, oh my gosh, hindi ka naglalay. True, let's be friends kaya. Ang pangit ng boses ko and siya, syempre. Totoo pinagsasabi niyo, guys, let's be friends with her. And I'm so sorry, pangit pala boses ko and you're the winner. Congrats! Okay na yun. Same, congrats kami sa'yo. Literally, congrats! By the way, hindi naman pangit boses mo. Hindi ka lang masyado nagpa-practice and kayong lahat. So, mag-introduce kaya muna tayo ng names natin. True, maganda. I'm Sheila and I'm 15 years old. Great, and I'm Cookie. Ay, hindi yun yung pangalan ko. My name is Athena. Tinatawag kasi nila akong Cookie minsan. My name is Athena and I'm 16 years old. 16, hindi 60. What? My name is... Ano nga ulit my name? Let's see on the leaderboard. My name is Scarlett. I'm 14 years old. OMG. Ako yung pinakabunso. And finally, my name is... let's see on the leaderboard. My name is Amber and I'm 12 years old. Well, bye guys. Practice more.